Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite, a small little mini read just to check your energies, Leo, see how you guys are doing, and if there's anything that you need to know now. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So, Leo, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So, Leo, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a guidance, message, blessing, or advice for my Leo gangs, my angels. A blessing, guidance, advice, or just a blessing. This one. All right, let's keep this one here, Leo. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Leo. Oh my God, I don't believe this. I just did the Aries reading and then yours, and both of you have the same card. So I think the fire signs are really, really on their way to making a lot of progress in their life now. 2021 is going to be a great year for, I think, fire signs here. I mean, how is it possible? I mean, I shuffle the cards in front of you and the same card comes out, right? For Aries and now for my lions and lionesses. Great. I like this card. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your likes and your shares and your care and your comments and also your donations to the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in, Leo. So Leo, this is going to be a small little mini read just to check your energies. But if you're looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the about section of the channel as well as the description box below. So let's see what we have for our lions and my lionesses. Wheel of Fortune. Luck is on your side, Leo. Look at the steady progress with the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Six of Wands, the Fool, the Moon, Eight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. All right. Okay, on the face of it, my first look towards the cards, of course I'll clarify them, but I feel something you were working on really didn't work out, maybe in a partnership, in a relationship. All the love that you had with this person kind of got drained out, right? And it made you feel not so good. Okay, it didn't give you the victory that you really were seeking, and now you don't want to make any more foolish mistakes in your life. Right now you're still dealing with your emotions, I think, Leo. You're still kind of in your self-imposed prison. Keep thinking of what's next. At the moment, I think what you're concentrating is on your pentacle, on being single, on being stable, on looking fabulous. Yes, here you are as the Nine of Pentacles, kind of maybe focusing on yourself, on self-love, self-healing, your stability. And yes, you're no longer wanting to kind of do anything that's going to make you emotionally unstable again. Right? You don't want to deal with an energy which is going to kind of take you off your path. Right now, I think you are more interested in stabilizing yourself, in looking after yourself. And if you do go for a partnership, you want to make sure that this partner is going to be an equal match. The Queen of Pentacles is the perfect spouse, and I think that's what you're looking for. And you are up in your head trying to decide, what should I do next? If there is somebody on your mind, let's see what they're all about. And if, let's say, take some dialogue message cards and see if there is somebody around you who's got an eye on you, and if you're worried that's going to turn out to be the same way as maybe the past partner, and you're up in your head wondering whether you should give them a chance or not, let's see what would they really like to say to you, what their innermost thoughts are going to be towards you. So the new person in my Leo's life, or the past person, in case they want to say something now, because I do see my lionesses a bit stressed out and still stuck in the past somewhere, still being very, very emotionally disturbed or overwhelmed here. So yes, you don't want a repeat of this old person because of maybe the emotional manipulation, or they were not authentic. Something happened here. Okay, so Leo, the first card I have here is, I'm silent because I'm going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. Like I said, this could be you, Leo. This could be you. You've just come out of a very, very heavy energy where maybe something in the past didn't work out. And yes, you're silent, you're keeping secrets or keeping your thoughts to yourself in a self-imposed prison, going over and over, how this relationship maybe didn't work out, and maybe if some people are trying to get your attention, you are not really communicating with anyone at the moment, and you're silent and kind of healing yourself from whatever you've been through. I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? This could be somebody new, this could be somebody old, I don't know, but somebody here is not ready right now. They want to, but they don't want to, and let's see. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. Yes, there is somebody new who's waiting for you, Leo, but I don't think you're ready right now to start a new relationship. You don't want to have a repeat. You wonder if this person is going to be authentic. You don't want a repeat of the past relationship, and that's the reason you are still kind of in two minds, or you're thinking maybe it's better that I remain single and abundant on my own than to trust anyone again. But this person really does love you. They really do love you. They're waiting for you to get out of this dark night of the soul that you're coming out from. Being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another one being with you kills me. Darling, you're mine. Somebody really does love you here, Leo. This could be you towards your person, but from what I feel, this is a new person who's wanting to wait for you till you get over all your heartbreak here. I think this is you now. I didn't run from you, I ran away from myself. It's all down to my deep fear and rejection and my insecurities. So I think this is you telling this new person that yes, I'm not giving you my attention right now, and it's not about you. I'm still kind of dealing with my own insecurities about my past relationship maybe, which didn't work out that well, and maybe I have trust issues, or I'm going through a healing process. But don't worry, Leo, this another person is willing to wait for eternity. Okay, so get your act together. Don't be in too much of a doubt, because yes, you're going to be coming to a very, very good stable place. You will be making steady progress, and the wheel of fortune, that is luck, is on your side. So let's take one card as clarifier, and then yes, let's figure out what's happening. So 8 of Pentacles, Spirit. What didn't work out for my Leo in the past? This is your card, Leo. you had to be really strong through whatever didn't work out in the past. Even though I think the love got drained out, you may have tried to work on it, you were trying to be very strong, keep it going, but you just realized that there was no love in this equation, whoever you were dealing with in the past. Finally, it came to, a point where you got battered, bruised, and this card was sideways. You wondered whether this was even worth fighting for. Maybe you gave up the fight, even though it didn't make you feel very victorious, didn't make you feel very good. You felt, yes, you failed to manifest or bring this past relationship into fruition, because all the passion, maybe passion, the love, kind of died out of this past connection. So right now I see you not wanting to make any more foolish mistakes. You are kind of trying to reject any love offers coming to you. You don't trust them. You, even if somebody comes towards you with love, you start doubting it, to say, yeah, you're coming towards me with love, but you're going to change over and I'll see your true colors soon. So it's better that I reject you now than, make any foolish mistakes here and give my heart to somebody new, because you are still scared. You're scared of the unknown now. You are not feeling that you want to have any forward movement or growth or fertility right now with anyone new, because you're still kind of very emotionally overwhelmed. You are trying to delay moving into a new relationship here, because you're in a self-imposed prison which keeps you bound and tied to thinking of, will this ever work for me? Will this, you think about it. You think about it all the time. This is, you just keep reminiscing, you just keep going back and forth in your mind. This is what you've always ever wanted, but because it didn't work out in the past, you're not sure whether you want to partner up with anyone again in your life, and that's why you're creating a delay to moving on. In your mind, you feel it's better that I stay single and I focus on myself. And yes, you are kind of confused. You are going back and forth in your mind. Is it better that I stay single? Should I trust another person who can break my heart? You are trying to make that decision, which I don't think you really have at the moment. You're still kind of contemplating it, going back and forth in your mind about being single or being committed. So, King of Cups, Spirit? King of Cups in reverse. Just the thought of love or getting fooled once again, I think really stresses you out. Here again, you are with that self-imposed prison that I saw here, right? You are really up in your head thinking, no. If I trust another person again, it's going to be the same thing. Somebody's again going to emotionally manipulate me. I don't even want to deal. This is a lot of fear. This is a lot of fear and anxiety about trusting love again, I think, Leo. So, Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? What's this Queen of Pentacles? Queen of Pentacles. Don't worry, Leo. You can take your time, I think, because somebody else has already chosen you, okay? You've already been chosen to be somebody's perfect partner here. Somebody is patiently waiting for you to get over your stress and anxiety and get over your dark night of the soul, get over all your healing. I do see somebody who's very, very sure that you're the one for them. And this is a very patient energy. They will wait for you, like they said, for eternity, okay? So, even if you've run away, they're not going to run away and get flustered. This person is very, very patient. They know you're the one. So what's this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? What's this Wheel of Fortune for my Leo? What's this Wheel of Fortune for my Leo gang? The worst is already over, Leo. If you've been depressed, if you've been sad, and you haven't been accepting any offers, thinking it's never going to work out for me, all that is going to be soon a thing of the past, right? The Wheel of Fortune is in your favor, luck is on your side, and yes, the Hangman is in reverse as well, which means soon you'll be coming out of a stuck position, because a lot of healing is coming to your life by yourself and with another. Okay, this will be a beautiful match. One cup is going to pour into the other, and it's going to be divinely guided. This is in your destiny. Don't doubt it. Don't stay too long in this energy of doubting that you can ever be happy once again because of your past experience. Okay, so yes, you'll make steady progress. Take your time. The new person is very patient, and they will wait for you. They do love you very much. And this person is not a manipulative person, from what I see. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next Monday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.